What year is this? 2011.
Okay, now I'm working on 2011 and 2009 BMW X5. This part should be compatible on both of them. I'm talking about the a spindle shock in the back of the trunk, the rear trunk, the automatic trunk. This one right here. To replace this is there's a clip. Of course, this is the same as the any regular shock. Just remove this little button and it will come right off. On this side there is two pins. These two pins needs to come out, and you just push on one side, it come right out, and then you pull this one with a screwdriver. With the screwdriver, if you pull this one right here, it come right off. And then the wiring on this is a little complicated. That's why I'm doing this movie, because this wire, it goes from here all the way to here, and the connector is right here. As you see, I took off the connector. It is pretty simple. This connector has a little button that holds it right here, and you can just pull this up a little bit, it comes right off. On this other one, there's two holder on the side. You just have to push this from both sides like this, and it will come off. And then once this one come off, this one is holding by a little knob into the body. There is a little button. Let me show you. This little button, you just have to push this down. I don't know if you see it or not. It's a little cloudy here and dark. You push this down and it comes out. And then once you take that off, this clip holds the wire right here in the body. You just pull it. There you go. You pull that, and then just send the wire through the body right here all the way, and it comes right out here. So that's how you remove it. I have the other part that I'm gonna replace it with, and these parts are pretty expensive online. It's about $340. But what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna play around with this a little bit to see if I can figure it out, if I can fix this one, but I doubt it though. It's pretty complicated and it's all boxed in, and that's how you remove it. Thanks for watching.